What's up guys, welcome back to the channel Falcon Vlogs and Tech. Today we are talking about some Apple stuff. Did you get that? Apple stuff. Apple has recently launched iPhone SE 2020 for just 42,999. Is that worth for that price? Let's look deeply into it. Apple has returned us back the same stuff like iPhone 6, 7 series, 8 series, etc. I don't think that is the right decision from an innovative brand like Apple. iPhone SE is like all of the, it's the same form factor with an updated chipset. How can we use that, or how can we accept that old design into this 2020? The budget smartphone manufacturers bringing stuff like bezel-less display, higher refresh rates, fast charging, bigger battery, multi-lens camera, etc. But that iPhone is still having a small 4.7-inch ugly display with HD resolution. Please think twice whether we should consider it a better idea in 2020 while comparing with other competitors. All of the competitors are bringing out an entirely different look into their smartphones, but Apple has returned back to their old style. Is that acceptable? Please think twice about that. Is that acceptable? It's not purely acceptable. I don't think that's so. Just have a look at the camera department. Most of the smartphone manufacturers has bought a triple camera, quad camera setup with telephoto, wide angle, macro lens, etc. But Apple has brought up to a single 12 megapixel camera in that iPhone SE in this 2020, which is not an acceptable factor, which is not purely unacceptable. Introducing a budget smartphone means it should have at least some of the latest features with an affordable price. That is what a budget smartphone is meant for. All other manufacturers has done that, but what we thought about Apple is that they might launch an entirely different stuff which will change the concept of buying smartphones. But Apple made us disappointed. Another major thing is that iPhone doesn't even have a headphone jack. The budget smartphones are still bringing out the headphone jack feature for the users, for the mid-range priced budget users. But Apple does not even have that. They don't have the latest features, but even they don't have a headphone jack. First generation iPhone SE had an headphone jack, but now it is not there. Apple has put a 5-watt charger with its iPhone SE, whereas all other manufacturers are having 30-watt, 50-watt, 100-watt chargers. Is that affordable to buy an old-gen smartphone with 5-year-old form factor? This iPhone SE with 5-watt charger will take at least 3 to 4 hours to get full charged, whereas those 100-watt, 50-watt chargers are just taking 15 to 20, 25, 30 minutes to get fully charged. That is what technology has developed. Isn't Apple blind? Or they are not seeing this technology is growing? Why they are still bringing up the old form factor with the new chipset? Is that only chipset is meant for an upgradation? I don't think so. Talking about the display side, how we can use that 4.7-inch display to play the latest high-end games or watch 4K videos on YouTube and Netflix? Is that possible? People, please think twice before spending that 43,000 rupees. You have a lot of other options in the market which will make you satisfied. Definitely satisfied. All other budget mass smartphone, even just 20,000, under 20,000 smartphones are bringing 120Hz or 90Hz refresh rates to their smartphones. Even this iPhone doesn't have an LED AMOLED panel. Still having that old 4.7-inch small LCD display, which is quite not acceptable. It's purely not good at all in this current situation of 2020. So finally we can conclude that iPhone SE 2020 is not a solution for the budget smartphone from an innovative brand like Apple. So please quote your doubts in the comment section, subscribe to the channel for more videos and tech related things. See you the next time. Thank you. Bye bye.